Hey guys, it's Miss De Los Reyes. Today we're multiplying polynomials. Specifically, we're multiplying a binomial times a binomial. So what that means is that you have two terms multiplied by something else that has two terms. So the way we're going to do this is we are going to do what's called double distributing. You're going to distribute this first term right here, multiply it in. So x times x gives you x squared. And then you're going to distribute it again to the next term. So x times positive 5 is positive 5x. Now you have to distribute this second part. So the positive 2. The positive 2 times x gives you positive 2x. And the positive 2 times positive 5 gives you positive 10. And then you're going to combine like terms. If you notice, these two terms in the middle are the same type. They're x terms. So when you rewrite it, this will give you 5x plus 2x is positive 7x. You're going to drop down the front term, so x squared, and drop down the back term, plus 10. So your final answer is x squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay, let's try it again. X minus 4 times x minus 1. So we're going to multiply the first term here. X times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative 1x. Then you'll multiply underneath. You're taking that sign with it, so it's negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Then we're going to combine the same terms that are in the middle. So negative 1x, you could either say plus negative 4x, or you could say negative 1x minus 4x means the same thing, is negative 5x. Drop down the front term, so there's x squared. Drop down the back term, that's plus 4. So your answer is x squared minus 5x plus 4. All right, one more. You really have to be careful with the signs when you're doing this. So x minus 8 times x plus 7. All right, x times x gives you x squared. X times positive 7 is positive 7x. Underneath, you're taking a negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative 8 times positive 7 is negative 56. And then you're going to combine like terms again. So 7x minus 8x is negative 1x. Drop down the front, x squared. Drop down the back, minus 56. And technically, you don't really need this one right there. You can make it invisible. So your final answer is x squared minus x minus 56. Thanks for watching. Bye.